I hate wiring. We're about to do that today. Let's get started. Alright guys, so we're back at Danny's garage and today's mission is install the wiring harness on the BMW e30. Thomas is here, Danny's here, and the goal is to at least try to start it. It's gonna be a lot of time lapses, but if we ever get stuck, we'll just talk to the camera and tell you guys what issues we're having. Yeah, let's get started. We're having a hard time deciding where everything goes and how we're gonna route it. Bear with our headache. We are almost done. We hooked up all the connections. It was pretty easy. Once you start going, it starts like hooking up, and if you have a question, you can refer to a little guide. So almost done hooking up the oil lines to make sure they're tight and everything, so that we can put some oil in it and maybe try to start it, because it's definitely gonna start. It's just a matter of we wanted to start it. Right, Danny?
Yep.
Oh, I like this. I need one of these, a green one in my car, not a red one. That's too hot, boy. Danny, what time is it?
Oil time.
Oil time. What time is it?
Oil time.
All right, time to put some oil in this thing and start her up. Right?
Theoretically.
Dude, this is gonna be a freaking fail if it doesn't work. Can someone hold the bottle?
Where did he go with purple power, or royal purple? I mean,
That guy for cheap.
Really? How cheap?
Like,
come on, bring out this energy that you have, because you're excited. Your engine's about to turn on, and then you're gonna do skids tomorrow.
I'm scared if you don't turn on.
It's gonna turn on, right?
This should turn on.
Where's my cap, Hope?
All right, trial number 1. Tell me when to start.
You turn the switch. Fuel pump.
I hear that.
Something's not loose because oil's spraying everywhere.
Oil?
Yeah.
Oil, gas. It's out of your fuel pressure regulator.
We missed a connection, or so we believe. This is fuel. What's it called?
The fuel pressure regulator.
Fuel pressure regulator. We're trying to figure out what the heck's going on.
Do I have to connect that to my breather?
Can you explain what's going on to the camera?
So
Take it with
basically,
you. Take it with you. So you can show them down there.
so yeah, so that right there is a fuel pressure regulator, and it's squirting out fuel where it's not supposed to, because it's not aligned. It's just squirting everywhere.
I hope
But-
it's just not sitting right.
Yeah, it might not be sitting right, or it might be a time for a new fuel pressure regulator, which is always a good upgrade, but not always necessary.
That's gonna be it. We're gonna call it a day, because we're kind of stuck. He doesn't have enough big enough wrench to try to do it. His only goes to a 19. You at least need a what, 22, 21?
21 and short, but
He doesn't
we don't
have it.
not the tool.
So we'll be back hopefully later this week, and sad day. We wanted to start it, but it'll start soon. Very, very soon. Right?
Oh yeah, really soon.
Right, Danny?
Yep.
It's kind of sad. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow's episode. Adios.
I don't feel like she's mine enough. God, I feel I couldn't have you wide up. But a fly in my wrist, you made pretty woman out of my skin. And I don't feel like